Which motorcycle cell phone mount is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Lamicall Bike Phone Holder. First up is the Lamicall Bike Phone Holder, priced at $15.98. This one caught my eye because it's a bestseller, and with over 67,000 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clearly popular. If you want a sturdy and safe way to keep your phone secure while riding, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It grips each corner of your phone tightly, ensuring it stays put even on bumpy rides. The 4 rubber pads provide shock-proof protection, which means your phone won't get scratched or vibrate loose. It fits phones from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, including the iPhone 17 and Galaxy S24, and it's easy to switch between horizontal and vertical viewing. Now, some folks mention that the locking mechanism can be tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty reliable and doesn't compromise safety. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid, affordable mount that won't let you down. Skip this one if you're using a phone larger than 6.8 inches or prefer a more advanced locking system. Now, if that locking issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LISEN Bike Phone Holder. Next up is the LISEN Bike Phone Holder, available for just $9.98. This caught my attention due to its ultra-secure hold and easy installation. If you're looking for something budget-friendly but reliable, this one is a great option. Why this product solves your problem? The LISEN mount grips your phone tightly thanks to its all-around grip design. It's built with a silicone wrap that absorbs shocks and prevents scratches, making it perfect for those bumpy rides. It fits most smartphones from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, including the latest iPhone and Galaxy models, and you can install it without any tools in just seconds. The quick setup and secure grip are huge advantages when you're on the go. Now, some customers pointed out that it can feel a bit less sturdy at high speeds. But here's the thing, if you're not pushing the limits often, it should serve you well for casual rides. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and easy solution without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're an adrenaline junkie needing maximum stability at high speeds. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a more secure locking mechanism. Product number 3, JOYROOM Motorcycle Phone Mount. Next, we have the JOYROOM Motorcycle Phone Mount, priced at $15.99. I was impressed by its autolock feature, which really stood out. If you want something that locks your phone in place quickly and securely, this is worth considering. The JOYROOM mount features a one-click autolock function, which means you can secure your phone in just 1 second. It also boasts a shock-resistant design, ensuring that your phone stays stable even at high speeds. The wide compatibility with phones from 4.7 to 7 inches makes it a versatile choice. However, some users had trouble with the clamp breaking after prolonged use. But honestly, if you're careful and don't force it, it should last quite a while. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and secure mounting solution that works well with various phone sizes. Skip this one if you frequently ride at very high speeds and need a more robust design. Now, if you're looking for a mount that really goes the extra mile in durability, the next one is a must-see. Product number 4, Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount. Next up is another offering from Lamicall, their motorcycle phone mount priced at $26.99. This one grabbed my attention with its dual vibration dampener feature. If you're looking for a mount that's built to handle rough rides, this could be your best bet. What makes this mount special is its patented anti-shake design, which significantly reduces vibrations from the road. It's made of high-quality materials that ensure durability while keeping your phone snug and safe. It can accommodate phones from 4.7 to 6.7 inches, and the one-hand operation makes it super convenient. However, some users found it a bit pricier compared to others. Here's the catch: the quality and protection it offers might just make it worth the extra bucks if you ride often. This is perfect for you if you frequently ride on rough terrains and need a reliable mount. Skip this if you're just cruising around town and don't need that level of durability. Now, if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about our last pick, which offers some amazing tech features. Product number 5, JOYROOM Vibration Dampener Mount. Finally, we have the JOYROOM Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder, priced at $25.99. What caught my eye here is its dual vibration dampening system, which is pretty impressive. If you want a mount that keeps your phone stable even at high speeds, look no further. This mount features a pneumatic shock-absorbing system that cushions vibrations significantly. Additionally, the one-handed operation makes it easy to lock and unlock your phone quickly while you're on the move. It's compatible with phones up to 7 inches, which is great news for those with larger devices. A downside is that some users reported issues with the locking mechanism after extensive use. But honestly, if you're careful when locking it, it should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a speed enthusiast who wants to keep your phone stable during those thrilling rides. Skip this if you prefer a more economical option or if you don't need the extra features. In conclusion, we've covered a range of fantastic motorcycle cell phone mounts today. The Lamicall bike holder is great for budget-conscious users, while the LISEN offers a quick install. The JOYROOM options provide that extra security and stability for high-speed rides, and the Lamicall and JOYROOM models focus on durability and vibration dampening. Depending on your riding style, there's definitely a mount here that can fit your needs. In conclusion, if you want an affordable and reliable option, go for the Lamicall or LISEN. If stability at high speeds is your main concern, the JOYROOM mounts are excellent choices. Each has its pros and cons, but ultimately your choice depends on your riding style and needs. Thanks for tuning in.